Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this wall art. And I did the part 2 was using the smoothing tool under X7 or above. So if you have X7 or 8 or 2017 or the new one, it's going to have the smoothing tool. But I mentioned that I did it 8 years ago in probably X5 or 3, and somebody questioned this morning what I meant by how I did it back then. Well, I did it all with the shape tool, and you click on your item, and I would suggest selecting everything, right clicking, turning everything into a curve, and then you just zoom in on something, and with your shape tool you can start deleting nodes. Just hit the delete key and it deletes that node, and then you can delete or click on one of them and just use the handles to make the shape more rounded, more uniformed, like that. Let's zoom in here and do this one. Grab the shape tool again and just start using the handles to make it a little more, not such as sharp corners, and try to make it look a little better. I think this is a leaf or a flower of this. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to back up and watch parts 1 and 2. Sometimes you have to click right on that arrow to get the handle. But you can see, so I had to do that instead of using the smoothing tool. I used the shape tool just to delete nodes and round things off. And also, somebody questioned on my video last night, I mentioned that I did this with, I called it Hardy board because I couldn't really think of the name when I was making the video. Hardy board is a concrete board that won't ever rot. This is actually masonite. Masonite is the material that pegboards are made out of, but you can buy it without the holes. It cuts real good. The burn residue just wipes off with a rag and alcohol, and it paints really, really good because it's got a smooth surface. And you can get that product, or at least we can in Central Texas, at your local Home Depot, and it comes in 2x2 or 2x4 sheets, and the laser will cut through it like MDF. It'll cut through it like butter. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.